Yeah, so as you can see, it's 30 minutes that we make the bread the proof. So we take the cover off, and then once you take the cover off of it, we're going to take it out of the bowl, take it out of the pan. Yeah? What you got to do is you got to squeeze out most of the hair out of it, because it's proof. It's got hair in it. You have to squeeze out the hair out of the flour as much as you can. You squeeze out most of the hair. You see? You can probably hear it. It's popping out the hair. Squeeze out as much hair as you can out of it. Make sure the hair is out of it. No more hair in there. When there's no more hair, you squeeze it out a bit. No more hair. See? Squeeze out all the hair out of it. See? You have to make sure there's no hair in it. Yep. Squeeze it out. No hair. Get all the hair out. There's it. That's it. You squeeze like it. It's like you're kneading the flour, but you just want to get the hair out, you know? See, it's nice and moist with the cooking oil we put on it. It squeeze out most of the hair out of it. Then next, we're gonna get some flour.
Smells nice.
Very nice, eh? Yeah, my daughter said it smells nice. She can't wait for you to finish. So we're gonna get some flour. And you need a nice surface, but I always clean my counter nice and use my counter. You get some flour the counter. And if you have get a nice surface, you know, a nice countertop. If you have a counter, use your counter, clean your counter, and just flour the counter. Take your jacket on the counter. Okay, put some flour on the counter. Then you put your bread on it. Squeeze it out as best you can. Like I said, forget out all of the air out of it. Okay? Get the ear out tight. See, most of the ear out tight. See? Most of the ear out tight. Look at that. There's no more hair in it. So, yeah, there's no hair. Then we're gonna, this is the fun part. We're gonna make hardo bread, remember? So it's like that. So we get a rolling pin. You wanna get a nice rolling pin. You know what, when we start making this here, so we never have no rolling pin, you know. And what I used to get a buckle, a white round buckle. And use a buckle and just roll it out. But you roll it out as best you can. You have to roll it out nice. The best you can, just get it roll out nice. Yeah. See? You have to roll it out. Roll out the dough nice, and you can get it as square as you can, you know, nice and thin as you can, you roll it out, you know. Use some flour upon it so it will stick, you know. Knead it out, roll it out. Yeah. Oh yes, look at that. Hardo bread comes together. Look how nice and beautiful that dough is. You see? You see? You have to roll it out. Yeah, nice little roll. Roll it as nice as much as you can. Roll it out, you know. See, even with the rolling, you get out most of the bubbles too. Because you don't want no bubble inside it when you have to roll it, you know. See? Roll it out as best you can. Look at that. Flat, flat, flat. As flat as you can, you just roll it out. Yeah. Look at that. Hardo bread getting ready to go in the oven. So you see, once we roll it out, what we do now, you have it roll out nice how you want it. Normally. And then what I'm going to do now, after I'm done roll it out, you have to roll it after together, but what I'm going to do now, I'm going to turn on the oven. So what you do, you put on your oven. I have conventional bake, so I'm going to put it at 350 and put it on. Make the oven, I want your oven to, you know, get ready, 350, and just roll this out. Because the oven, while the oven I get ready, see it nice and flat? See, look at that. Look at that. You don't know if you can see it, but just roll it out as best you can. Normally, I try to get it as square as I can, but it's alright. A homemade bread. When I make bread for people to go sell at a store, it's your own bread at home. So, you understand? Do your best you can to roll it out. See? Look at that. nicely roll out. Yeah. Then, here comes the best part. You know, probably I say, why am I roll out the bread if I hard bread in my neck? Hard bread is supposed to be nice and flat and round. This is the best part. Okay? Now that it roll out, you start rolling. Because it's hard bread, you want it to be nice and, you know, firm. So you roll it. You roll it in a ball, a nice ball, as much as you can. See? Roll it in a nice ball, like that. Yeah. You roll it in a nice ball. Yeah, you roll it in a nice ball like that. Now, listen, normally I make it, I do it all nice and clear, but I mean, like I said, you make your bread, you do it, if you get it nice and smooth, you get it nice and square, but listen, you roll it like that. That's it. Then, to chew a 2 pan, normally you make a big pan, but I don't have a big pan, so I have 2 small pans. So I cut it in 2 like that. Okay? Then you get your pan, then you stuff it in your pan. You put it in your pan like this. I normally, like I say, you put it in a bigger pan, but you flatten it out when you want it in your pan. You know, first, you know what I mean, make it in your pan like that. You know what I mean? Get my next pan, and then you put it in your pan. Yeah, see there? That's it. Like this. Then you leave it in that. Then you cover them again. For another about 20 minutes, 25 minutes. You cover it up. And that's it, you wait.